Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make white chocolate cream cheese pound cake. So let's begin. So here are the ingredients. This is all-purpose flour or Maida. Castor sugar, I've grinded it and made it powder sugar. This is good quality white chocolate or couverture chocolate. Now if you don't get it, only then use compound or else use a good quality white chocolate, cream cheese, unsalted butter, 2 eggs, baking powder, vanilla essence, orange zest. We need orange zest of 1 orange. Now if you don't have unsalted butter, you can use salted, or else as I am using unsalted butter, so I am going to add salt. So let's begin. The first step is to melt chocolate and butter together. Either you can do in micro oven or the double boiler. I'm going to do it in a micro oven for 30 seconds. So I melted the white chocolate in the butter. I took 30 seconds plus 20 seconds. Let's start with the next process. I sieved the baking powder, salt and the maida and it's ready. I'm going to take the 2 eggs. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can also add vanilla extract if you have, and it's really good. And I'm going to beat it for few seconds. I just did it for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to add the powdered sugar. I'm going to beat it till it's ribbon consistency. It will going to take 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the melted butter. Now I'm going to add 1 orange zest. Now if you don't want to use orange, you can use lemon. And also what I wanted to say is, if you don't want to use orange and lemon, it's completely okay. We already added vanilla essence. The orange flavor with the white chocolate gives an awesome smell and flavor. It's really yum. Now here's the zest. Now I know very well that everybody doesn't have this. You can use the knife and make sure that you don't use the white part. That because the white part, if you put it, it's very bitter. I'm going to add the cream cheese and I'm going to beat it for more 30 seconds. So I beat it for 30 seconds and now I'm going to add the flour. I'm going to add half of the flour first and then the remaining later. And here goes the remaining flour. Going to mix it very slowly. Cut and fold method, cut and fold method. Now the batter is very thick. The consistency of the batter is very thick. What we are going to do is going to add little milk. Now if you don't want to add milk, you can also add water. And I've tried without water, without milk. The only difference is when you add milk, it becomes soft and moist. Now this is a loaf pan or a silicone one. If you don't have a silicone, you can use the same loaf pan. But the loaf silicone, I liked it because we don't have to grease it. I've already preheated the oven for 180 degree for 10 minutes and I'm going to bake it for 20-25 minutes or till the skewer comes out clean. Just tap it 2 to 3 times, all the air bubbles comes out. I'm going to bake it for 20-25 minutes in 180 degree. Cake is ready. I'm going to remove from the oven now. And the cake is nicely baked. I've inserted skewer and come very clean. There's nothing sticking. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to demold it. I'm going to cover because the upper part of the cake doesn't get dry and the steam which is coming from the mold and the cake remains inside and leaves the cake moist. Now if you don't want to do this, you can keep 2 breads too, as the bread will not allow the cake to dry. I'm going to demold it. You can see how nicely smoothly it's come. The silicone mold I haven't even greased. What you can do, you can eat it as it is, but I'm going to top it with beautiful white chocolate ganache. It's 3 parts of chocolate and 1 part of whipping cream. I'm going to pour it. With the help of a palette knife, I'm just going to spread it. And I'm going to put it all sleeve-cured almonds, and this is completely optional. Isn't it looks beautiful? So here goes my white chocolate cream cheese pound cake. So friends, here is my beautiful white chocolate pound cake. If you like my recipe, please do share with your friends and family. Subscribe my channel. Until then, see you by next time.